Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the Daily English Mentor. My name is Daniel, and I am truly happy that you are here with me today. Thank you for taking time to listen, to learn, and to grow. Learning English is a long journey, but you are moving step by step, and I am very proud of you. Today, we are starting a brand new series on this channel. A series that will help you understand English grammar in the simplest, clearest, and most practical way. This series is called Easy English Grammar for Real Life. And the idea behind this series is very simple. Grammar should help you speak, not confuse you. Grammar should be useful, not stressful. Grammar should support your daily life, not make you afraid of mistakes. So today's episode is an introduction. A calm, friendly, gentle introduction that shows you how easy grammar can be. When someone explains it step by step, slowly, clearly, with examples you can use in your everyday life. So, make yourself comfortable. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this peaceful English lesson. Let's begin. Many learners think grammar is something big, heavy, and difficult. They imagine thick textbooks, long rules, and complicated terms. But real English, the English you use every day, is simple. You don't need 100 rules. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need the most important pieces. And that is what this series will give you. Real-life grammar means grammar you can use when you talk about your day, when you order food, when you speak to a friend, when you describe something, when you write a simple message, when you tell a small story, when you introduce yourself, when you talk about plans. This is practical grammar. This is beginner-friendly grammar. This is your grammar. In this series, I will teach you grammar like a friend, not like a strict teacher. I will speak slowly. I will explain everything clearly. I will give simple examples. I will repeat important parts. And I will connect grammar to real life. Because grammar is not about rules. Grammar is about communication. Let me say that again, because it is important. Grammar is not about rules. Grammar is about communication. If you can communicate, you win. If people understand you, you win. If you feel confident, you win. Your English does not need to be perfect. It just needs to work. And this is the goal of the series, to make your English work in daily life. What you will learn in this series. In the next videos, we will explore different grammar topics, one by one. Slowly, calmly, clearly. You will learn. Present simple. Talking about daily life. Present. Continuous. Talking about now. Past. Simple. Telling simple stories. Future. Using will and going to. Modal verbs. Can, should, have to. Articles. A and the. Pronouns. I, me, my, and more. Prepositions in, on, at, countable and uncountable nouns, adjectives and adverbs, word order in real English, and many more useful lessons. Each grammar point will be explained in a friendly, natural way. No pressure, no fear, no stress. Just slow, clear English that feels good to listen to. Before we continue, I want to make you a promise. In this series, I will not confuse you. I will not use difficult grammar words. I will not give long, complicated rules. I will teach you only what you need. I will speak calmly and clearly. I will help you understand easily. I will motivate you to keep learning. This is grammar you can actually use in your real life. Nothing more, nothing less. If you are watching this video, it means something very important. You care about your English. You want to improve. You want to grow. You want to become more confident. And that is already amazing. Grammar is not a test. Grammar is a tool. And the more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Step by step. Day by day. Practice by practice. I believe in you, and I am here to help you. When you finish the full playlist, you will be able to build strong, simple sentences. Talk about your daily life. Describe what is happening now. Tell basic stories in the past. Speak about plans and future ideas. Give advice using should. Talk about ability using can. Use a, an, and the naturally. Understand basic sentence structure. Talk about place and time with prepositions. Feel more confident when speaking. This will be a real transformation in your English journey. My friend, this is only the beginning. I am really excited to guide you through this series. In the next video, we will start with the present simple, the easiest and most useful tense in English. But before you go, I want to ask you a question. What part of English grammar is the most difficult for you right now? Tell me in the comments. I read every single comment, and your answers help me create better lessons for you. If you enjoyed this introduction, please like this video, follow the channel, and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for being here with me today. Take care, and I will see you in the next episode of The Daily English Mentor.